Tired of vandalism and theft on your property? Want to protect your business, vehicles, and employees from crime? We got you covered. Introducing SeerShield by CAPN Security, the most comprehensive security surveillance and response service. It starts with us installing high-tech security cameras on your property. SeerShield makes getting security easy for your business because there are no upfront costs for installation. We lease the cameras to you and we handle the maintenance of the system, auditing the cameras and our monitors every month by actually showing up to your location. Also, enjoy our 24/7 customer support line where you can directly talk to our team without waiting. Then, we actively monitor your cameras after hours from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. With SeerShield, you will know that someone is watching because you can actually have a conversation with our monitors through the cameras.
Hey, is anybody watching?
This is a good test to ensure that your cameras are actually actively monitored.
Hi camera, is anyone watching? Give me a sign if someone is there.
Think of SeerShield as a virtual on-site security officer, having eyes on your property throughout the night for a tiny fraction of the cost. If we see any activity, we flash bright lights, ring alarms, and talk with trespassers through the cameras.
The property, you're being recorded.
If they refuse to leave, we dispatch one of our local CAPN security officers or the police. SeerShield is the only camera monitoring service that includes the support of physical patrol officers. And the sweetest part, all of this comes at $200 per month per camera, without any additional costs, ever. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with us right now and schedule a free consultation.